Ready to unlock the power of your time data and make smarter business decisions? First, let's navigate to the Reports section in the left-hand menu of your Clockify dashboard. It's usually located towards the middle or bottom. Click on Reports. You'll likely land on the detailed report. To generate a monthly report, we need to adjust the date range. Click on the date range selector at the top of the page. A calendar will pop up. Select the first day of the month you want to analyze. Then, select the last day of that same month. Click the Apply button to confirm your chosen date range. Now your report is filtered to that specific month. Now, make sure to customize your report further for your specific needs. You can filter by users, projects, tasks, or tags for a high-level overview. Try grouping the data by project. This will show you how much time was spent on each project during the month. Scroll through the report to see the time entries, the amount of hours spent, and other important details. Hover over different sections for more information. Finally, you can export the report in various formats for sharing or further analysis. Click the Download button in the upper right corner and choose your preferred format, and that's it. Now you can start making better decisions.